Well, hello. It's SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. And we're back with another video. So today we're going to be transplanting some cucumbers. So, since I apparently have used all of my 511, I'm just gonna make some blood meal super juice. So I had some blood meal left over, and I'm just gonna make a super juice so I can get my cucumbers in the ground. It is September here, y'all, and there's a bee flying around me, so if I bolt, y'all know he was coming my way. But yeah, I am getting everything prepped for the fall season, and I'm not sure if cucumbers do well, but y'all know I'm in 9A, zone 9A. I'm not sure if my cucumbers are going to do anything, but if you don't, at least try. You'll never know, right? So I'm trying to see. Nothing beats a failure but a try. And I think my friend has just gone away. So we're going to get this bone meal tea made up, and then we'll be back. So my first plant that I am taking out is just my cucumber, and I'll show you guys in a minute. They're all in one bucket. I'm taking them out because when I first planted that in that container, I was like, okay, I'm gonna just plant them all together. Then I was like, they're gonna be fighting for space and nutrients, and they're probably not gonna grow. So I said, let me put them out in the garden where they can have all the room that they need. So this is the first one. All of the holes have been watered real good, and I put my blood meal super juice in there. Now y'all, when y'all plant y'all plants, don't throw them in the hole like I just did. So it's in there, and it's mulched in already. Press it down just a little to make sure there's no air bubbles. And there we have our very first one. So let's get the other ones planted in. I'm not gonna put that in there, that's soaking wet. All right, let me grab the next one. Kind of in an awkward position, and my camera is crooked. So let me turn you guys around so you can actually see where they're coming from. So here they are in the bucket, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. And of course, this was the very first one that I planted. So that one's gonna stay, and I'm gonna take the rest of them out of there. Okay, so we have to take these and kind of split them apart. Look at the root system. So I'll put this one here. We'll put that one there. I'm shaking a little bit more soil. Then I'm gonna cover it with the mulch. All right, 2 down and 2 more to go. All right, then we're gonna water them in, and that's gonna be it. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Y'all know what to do. If you are not part of the family, join the channel. It's free. Look how I'm sweating out here for y'all. And it's, what, 7 o'clock? Texas. Gotta love it. So, y'all, share me with your family and friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check out my other social media platforms. And until I see you guys in the next video, you know what it is. Am I looking at the right part of the screen? I think I'm supposed to be looking, no, over there. I think so. You know what it is. Peace.